Okay, so first of all, I can see that there are actually a lot of people who have raised their hand. So, so first of all, I would like to announce that today we are not having the presentation session for the regular interns. Okay, so the thing is we are conducting the onboarding session for the new interns who have joined for the first time. So I want all of you who are the previous intern to they can leave the meeting or they can stay and see if any of there are any changes in the meeting procedure. So you guys can stay as well as you are free to leave. Okay, I hope that makes sense because I believe the Akash Lamba is not taking the parallel session today, sadly. So what you guys can do is you guys can go and check if his meeting is going on. Then you can raise your hand. He will take the presentation. Either you can join tomorrow. I have noted the name Apila Vijay, Snehal Mane, and Sharia. I will take your presentation tomorrow. So now, so sorry for the delay. People who have joined here for the first time. So you guys will be the first July batch. So I welcome all of you for joining the session today. So let's quickly start the session for the new intern. So first of all, welcome and very good evening, everyone. I will be your host for today's onboarding session. So my name is YashchandraUpadhyay. I am from Mumbai and I'm currently the Scrum Manager for the daily Scrum meeting that is going on. So remember, you guys will be first July batch. So now quickly going on, we'll first see what are the table of content, what we are going to be doing, what is the agenda of this meeting. So first we'll have a, okay, so I believe the screen is not changing. Okay, so now it is changing. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, so now I believe screen is changing. Okay, sorry for the delay. So first, let's check the table of content. What will be the agenda of today's meeting? So first of all, we'll have a brief discussion on our company. What is the profile of company, and then moving on to the mission and the vision of company. Then the key products and services, as well as we'll look at the key people of our organization. We'll have an introduction of our mentor, and then the market analysis and what kind of customer we are mainly dealing with, as well as the team management system. So now this is really important. All the people who are either paying attention or not paying attention, I want all of you to pay attention to this part, that is team management system. Here we will be talking about what you guys will be doing on the day-to-day basis, such as like what will be your regular day-to-day like thing you will be doing while doing this internship, how you will be giving your attendance, and that, as well as what are the tasks you will be doing, as well as like how you are going to submit those tasks, right? So we will be like having a discussion on that part in the team management session. Then we'll quickly look at the future plans, then we'll have your introduction, and then we can wrap up the session for today. So now, quickly moving on to the company profile. So first of all, what I would like to say is, yeah. So I hope my screen is, yeah, sure. Okay, so let's look at the company profile. So Hackweather Limited was started somewhere around 2011, and the main goal of company was to solve the cyber security problem. Although we have been working before 2011, earlier Hackweather Limited was working under the brand name of the MDD Technologies, which was the defense research development organization vendor for the embedded hardware boards and various form of various verification software. Initially, Hackweather Limited started by building the small level cybersecurity product during the 2011 and 12. We also started working towards the research and the organization where we have to make the researcher understand what was cybersecurity and what kind of things that can be done with respect to the cybersecurity domain. Now, and then followed by 2011, we also started working towards delivering the various cybersecurity workshop, as well as somewhere around 2014 and 15, company grew with respect to cybersecurity skill. And finally, in 2017, the company registered out of PMDD Technologies as a separate entity, And the core mission of the company was to work on the cybersecurity problems, as well as the research development and the software development and the workforce development. And within 1 year of business, company got global and registered in Canada in 2018. So let's look at the mission and the vision of our organization. So as I said, it is straightforward. Our main mission is to solve hiring problem, that is to build a workforce pipeline between institute and industry. And our goal is to build the industry level product and share experience with you guys, so that you can contribute to our goal by working with us to gain knowledge and experience to make use of your creativity to improve the existing product that we have, and as well as building the new products. So now moving on to some of the key products that we have. Now these are the really important parts. Like these are the products that you may get to work on when you are like just starting your internship. So in the probation period, some of this project you will be working on. So now let's look at the key products of our organization. So first is body composition machine. So it is a product that we manufacture actually. And second is the para trooper locator system. So this is one of the product that we have built for the longest, and we have been building and improving this product for now more than I believe 5 years it is now. And this is also a product that we manufacture and supply to the ADRD Agra, which is a defense research organization. And then third is AI blood report manager. So another important product, we have made use of AI and NLP to extract data from reports and analyze them to find anomalies and recommend proper medication and home remedies. Also make easier for the doctors to analyze the reports, and it is currently being used by the various diagnostic there. And next we have the chart that you can see. So as you can see, the most of the products that we make are like focused basically towards the DRDO, and then second is the healthcare segment, and the research, that is 16.7%, and the professional courses, that is 16.7%. And also we are focusing towards internship, that is 8.3%. And so as I said, we are like expanding ourselves to various domains that are related to ID. And as well as beside the project, we are also certified PSNU test center, which conduct more than 3,000 exams, like Microsoft, Amazon, and various form of assessment tests, such as for more than like 3,500 clients that make use of our exam center. And finally, we are also doing some research and as well as making products based on the algorithmic trading system. We made use of various algorithms for trading to analyze stock and find like which stock will drop and how much they will drop. Apart from this, we also work towards the various other technologies like machine learning, deep learning, and cloud computing, and from like other domains that are currently rising. So moving on to some of the key services that we have. So one of the main service is the software development for our clients, which is such as like the Defense Research Development Organization, where we work on scientific analysis group. Apart from that, we have also been working with the legal science and technology group and the Center of Fire Exposure. Apart from that, we also work with the various healthcare segment with respect to the Django application, as well as Android and the smartphone application. So in previously we saw the heart rate application, right? So the heart rate application is an application where we have web version that is deployed on a website, as well as an Android application and a smartwatch application. So now moving towards, we also work towards the education and as well as like creating professional courses and workshop for training. So the professional courses we created back in 2014 and 15. That was like a lot of professional courses we created, as well as we conducted a lot of workshop. But currently we are focusing towards the training sector, that is internships and training new interns who are coming to our organization. And also we work towards the research support. So we also work towards the research segment. Currently our main scope of research are basically machine learning, deep learning, cybersecurity, and the network simulation. And we also expanding our scope of research. As of now, we are expanding like various domains that are available in the market right. So, and we, as I discussed it in a previous slide, we are also authorized PSNU test center. We conduct more than 3,000 international exam, and we also develop assessment exam for some of our clients. Finally, we do like we provide internship to a lot of college students who are recently graduating, so that they can get professional experience, like working in company culture, how does the things work, and as well as so that you can work on exciting projects. And we conduct both offline and online internship, as well as we have made some self learning material also. So what we do is, during the internship we call various mentors from the industry, so that they can like train our interns. So recently, if you go on our YouTube channel, and you will see that back like 1 or 2 months ago, we had a workshop on software testing, where we trained our interns with respect to the software testing domain. Now, similarly, we are also working toward a lot of other services. But before that, let's see what are the key people of our organization, as this is really important for all of you. So this is Mr. Devanshu Shukla. So he is the co-founder and executive officer, as well as the technical officer. He manages the technical operation and the projects in Hackweather Limited, as well as he is the mentor for all of us. He sometimes joined the meeting and guide all of us. He was the main person who used to take meeting previously, and he has taught me a lot personally. So you guys can also learn a lot of things from him. Second, we have Mr. Very respected Mr. Vijay Kumar. So he is a retired wing commander of the Indian Air Force, and currently director of the operation, as well as the owner of BMW Technologies back in 2008. And followed by, we have Ms. Neha Avasthi. She is co-founder and the director of the HR. Previously, she has like good experience in working with the e-commerce website. Then we have Mr. Sumit Dhama. He is the co-founder of Hackweather Limited at the Canada office, and he stays in Canada and mostly looks after the Canada office, Canada branch. He also worked on the American Express and the Amazon Weekly. Now, moving on to the market analysis. So, let's say, see, you know that IT market is a very large and like very large domain. So we cannot like cover everything. So what we do is, we mainly cover 5 segments with respect to the IT domain. So first, let us say we have any technology. Let us say cyber security. So first, we train people with respect to cyber security domain, and then we make various form of exams and assessment tests that we conduct. And then we also develop software and various products based on cybersecurity. And then we also do research on the cybersecurity, as well as we deliver it to our client. As I said, DRDO being one of our major clients. So now, moving on to the customer profile, like what kind of customer we are mainly dealing with. So first, as I told you, DRDO, we are working with the SAG, that is Scientific Analysis Group, and the Leisure Science Technology Group, Center for the Fire Explosive, Department of Education and Ministry, and Home Affairs. Some of the things that we have done is, back in 2021 and 22, we delivered various workshops for the school students in the Delhi NCR region on the cyber security, that is spreading awareness with respect to cyber security for the various school students that were like students in the Delhi NCR region. And we also worked on the various projects such as sentiment analysis and etc. And we also worked toward the healthcare segment, that is a second major segment that we mainly focus on. So most of our clients are dietitians, the sport coaches, and the doctors. Some of the projects that we have created in the healthcare segment, some of the notable projects I would say are the AI blood report manager, diet recommender, and the heart fitness app. And as well as these are the products that you might get to work on. We have already created it. We will give you the references so that you can clone it, or you can learn how these things were created when we were like creating it. And then next is research segment. We help PhD scholars. We help them with the technical aspect of the thing, as well as like educating them with respect to the specific domains that they want to get involved in. And also we work with the various institutes and industries to provide them with the skilled workforce and conduct various assessment test problems. Now, second and very important thing is the team management system. So let's see. So today is the 4th July, right? So on the 4th July, you guys will be joining. I will be explaining you about the team management process, and then tomorrow there will be task allotment, and you will start your project updates. So now, if you can see this email that I have attached on the screen. So today is the 4th, right? So by tomorrow, that is under 24 hours to 48 hours, you guys will receive an email like this where you it will say attendance mark for the 4th July or 5th July, whenever you will receive it. So then there will be your name as well as it will say your attendance is marked for the date, and then your internship status is active. Now, when you receive this email, and then only we can say that you are like officially intern of Hackable Limited. If you don't receive this activation email, you need to let me know by tomorrow that you have not received this activation mail. Because if you have not received the activation mail, your progress update, your attendance, as well as all the tasks you have done will not be considered towards your internship, like overall internship period. So let us say whenever you receive this activation email, we will consider you as an active intern for this internship, right? So now after you have received the activation email, but I would also like to say some of you may have already received it, but some of you may not have received it. Okay, so you just need to wait for 24 to 48 hours and let me know by tomorrow. Now, tomorrow, that is today, you will receive the activation mail. Then tomorrow, you will be allotted with the task. Now, when you will be allotted with the task, you will check the task, what your task is. You will get some understanding on the task, and then tomorrow itself, you will upload what you understood from the task requirement in the like I will let you know where you need to upload it, but basically we will provide you with the link where you need to click on it, and then you need to send the message to the technical support, and they will check your progress update, right? So after your task is allotted, make sure that you are reading what the project name is, what the task name is. Now, what is a project name and what is a task name? As let us say there is a project of Dr. Such website. Now, this project may be a really big website, right? So this project may not be on a caliber where you can complete it alone, right? You need various team members, but we are doing online internship, right? So it may not be possible with all of you to join and do the task as a group. So what we have done is we have broken it down to smaller tasks, each product, and then whatever your task is, you will receive that task as well as what your task description is. And then if there are any specific instruction that you need to follow to create the task or to submit the task, as well as if there is any references that we will provide you for the task itself. So you can make use of instruction and references in the description to understand what your task is. From the next day onward, you will start working on the day that is day after tomorrow. Now, after you have understood the task, from tomorrow onward itself, now after you have got the activation email, then only you will start receiving this attendance marking email. Now, every day in between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., you will receive this email where there will be your name, and then it will say greeting for the day, and then it will have some kind of message. Now, this message changes. So make sure that you are reading what this message is, and if there are any changes in your entire, let us say, internship, or let us say the process of marking the attendance, or process of giving the progress update, you will be notified in this email itself. So make sure that you are reading it every day. After that, it will say general progress and attendance. That is number one. There are a lot of points in the same email, so I will read out to them and explain it to you. So first is general progress and the attendance. So basically what you need to do is you need to go on hackweather.in website, and then in the hackweather.in website, you can give your progress update. So whatever your task is, when you understand it, you can make some progress in it and then give your progress update. Now make sure you are giving your progress update each and every day, that is Monday to Saturday. From Monday to Saturday between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. you are supposed to give your progress update, because between 5 to 6 p.m. we check all the messages that we received in the day, and then we process all the progress updates that we have received, right? So it is ideal if you are doing it before or on the 5 p.m. And it is okay if you are doing it on 6 p.m., but your progress might it get late when it's come to the overall reviewing. So make sure that you are giving your progress update between 10 a.m. to 5. Now there is no need to join the internship scrum meeting, or let us say join any kind of meeting to give you mark to mark your attendance. you need to click on this button which says mark attendance, and when you click on it, you will be redirected to a different page and your attendance will be marked. Now the attendance marking is manual because there are a lot of people joining the internship scrum meeting. As you can see, already there are around 50 to 60 people. And when we are like, when there are a lot of people, let us say when there is evaluation coming on, or there is like, some kind of let us say we are conducting some kind of workshop, there are a lot of people and it's get really hard for us to take count of all the attendance. So you need to mark your attendance manually. Make sure you are marking your attendance manually because we want you to have like more than let us say if you are doing an internship of 4 weeks, then you need to have at least 80% or more attendance for the period of your internship. So let us say you are doing internship for 2 months or 6 months or 4 months, you make sure that you are having 80% attendance. So don't forget to click on the mark attendance when you are like, complete doing your internship. There are also cases where you are taking leave, so in that period you don't need to click on mark attendance, but when you are active you need to click on mark attendance. So make sure you are marking your attendance. And then after that, you will see this logo. When you click on this logo, you will be redirected to the Hackweather.in website, and you will see, yeah, so when you go to Hackweather.in website, there you will see a floating button at the right hand side in the bottom of your screen. When you click on it, it will ask you for the new conversation. You need to click on new conversation, and then you need to put your name, email, phone, and the department. So let us say I am from web developer department, so I will check select web developer. I will also put a valid phone number because let us say this session of chat got like, got disconnected due to some internet issue or some issue. What we will do is we will reach out to you through your email or your phone number, right, if you are having some kind of error. So after that, you can just whatever information you put in, the information will be directly like sent to the technical support person. He will look at the information and he will have a record of your information so that he can contact you. And then you can like give your progress update, whatever your progress update is. And as well as you can attach some kind of file if you want. Let us say you are from a uh, uh, full stack web development or Python group, then you need to code, right? So what you can do is you can make a public GitHub repository. You can push your code in the GitHub repo and then share the link of that GitHub repo. Or let us say your task doesn't involve any kind of coding. You have a research task. Or let us say you need to create a presentation for your task. Then you can also like make a video or a PPT file. You can share it in the chat itself. They will take it as a progress report. Make sure you are attaching some kind of like, proof such as your GitHub repo or your video or some kind of screenshot to so that we can verify that you have made some kind of progress today. And after your technical support person has joined the chat, you can see the name of the technical support person, as well as if you want to add, you can click on this hamburger menu, and then you can click on like basically end this chat session and then end the chat. Now, basically, so this is how you do the progress update. I believe I have already mentioned it. So again, but again, so please update your progress by or before 6 p.m. every day, along with submission for the review on the technical support chat on the hackweather.in website. We review the progress update on Trello daily between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and mark progress score accordingly. And the submission can be done in the following form. So you can upload the source code of the link or the video demonstration, project coding link, and the screenshot of whatever task you are doing. Then click on the mark attendance for the today's attendance. After that, let us say you are getting some kind of technical issue. Now, when you are receiving the technical issue, it may not be possible for you to do the like, the make the progress update because you have not make any progress because of review, because of error, right? So what you can do is in that case, if your error is valid, then you can post it in the technical support chat. They will review the error, they will try to help you, or they will connect you with your team leader, or they will connect you with a like, different team members who are currently in your team, or they may provide you with some kind of reference link so that you can use that and complete your task, right? So if you are getting error, just post it in the technical support chat as well as various screenshot or a short video, right? After the technical error is solved, you can just move on to give the progress update, or you can give the progress update on the next day with some kind of progress that you have made after your error has been resolved. Okay, we have already discussed it. So let's move on to yeah. So, or you can, let us say for some reason you are not able to connect to technical support chat due to some network issue or anything, because sometimes what happens is when you have low data, such as 2G connection or some kind of problem, then it is possible that your internet may not be working and the chat is not accessible. So in that moment, you can send the email at support@hackweather.in, or basically if you are not able to reach out due to some issue, you can also join the daily scrum meeting and you can let me know what your error is. I will try to assist you with your error or help you connect with the various support person who can help you so that your error gets resolved, right? And again, as I said, Scrum meeting is actually like, if possible, you should join it, because we conduct the presentation for various tasks that are completed by our interns. So that when you look at their presentation, you will get an understanding of what kind of task you need to complete. And you can also connect with them if you are having some kind of issue. So let us say there is an intern who is doing a presentation on Dr. Search website, and you are watching the presentation, you are getting some kind of issue, you can directly contact them in the Zoom chat and get their contact information and complete your presentation. So it is good thing to join the daily scrum meeting. You can make connection with other interns. This is also one of the important places where you can connect with your team members. Now moving on to, let us say your task, you have completed your progress subject as well as your task is completed. Now after the task is completed, what you need to do is you need to click on assign new task. It will assign you with the new task. But before your new task has been assigned, you need to submit your task in the hackathon for in the technical support chat, that is in the hackathon for the review. Then we will review the task and then we will assign you with the new task, right? And also when your task is completed, you need to make a presentation on that task and give the presentation live in the scrum meet. All right. And also whatever the PPT you are creating, make sure you submit in the technical support chat at the Hackweather website. Now the thing is, for that scheduled presentation, when you click on this scheduled presentation, your presentation will be scheduled, and once you give the presentation, only then you will receive score for the task you have done, right? If you don't make presentation, you will not receive score for the task. Okay, so whatever task you are doing, make sure you are preparing well, so that you can receive score and complete your task completely and get score. If your college asks you for any kind of score or any kind of review, you can share those score with your college, right? Now, when you click on schedule presentation, you will receive this kind of email where there will be the name of your presentation. If there are any specific detail that you need to follow, we will provide it, as well as the date and time of the presentation. Now, this is an old screenshot. Currently, in the newer mail, we also provide you with the link of two different meetings. One is my meeting that I conduct, that is currently happening. You guys can bookmark this meeting link. This meeting link will happen from Tuesday to Friday without fail. So there will be not a single day where this meeting is not happening, right? So you guys can bookmark it and join the meeting every day to make your presentation or ask your query, right? So you will either receive link of this email, or the second link will be a secondary meeting that happens parallelly, that also happens between Tuesday to Friday between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. That is conducted by either Saurabh Singh or either Mr. Akash Namba. So you guys can also join their meeting for giving your presentation. Now, after your presentation is done, then you will receive a score where you will receive the score out of 110. Now, why this is important? Because if you don't receive 88, or if you receive score that is below 88, you will not be considered as successful internship. If your overall score is not 80%, you will not receive your completion letter. So make sure, keep that in mind, that you are completing all your tasks, as well as you are preparing for the presentation and getting good score in the presentation. Because at the end we conclude, we check score of all the presentation, we make an average of all the scores, and if you are getting 80% or let us say about 70%, we provide you with a completion letter. But if you are not receiving this 80% or 70%, that is, or a score that is not satisfactory to Devanshu sir, then he will not give you your completion letter. So make sure in mind you are making a presentation, you are watching the presentation that is already available in our YouTube channel, that is done by the various interns who are from the previous batch. You can watch their presentation and learn how they are doing the presentation, as well as how the task has been completed. And also we share an email where you will get list of all the completed presentation. You can search by the name of presentation. You can directly go to their video and check how they have completed it. As well as, after when you are making a presentation, you need to keep in mind that your scores are done with respect to these parameters. So first is hook and story. So hook and story is basically how well you are able to give your presentation, what is your overall flow, as well as if it is understandable, if it is simplified. Make sure that your presentation is not hard for beginners to understand, because all the presentation that you are creating, I would recommend that you create it in such a way that you are trying to make presentation to a beginner, right? Because there are a lot of people from different domains. So there are some people from cybersecurity, some people from the web development, some people from the Python, right? So they may not understand your presentation when you are giving the presentation based on your particular topic or based on your particular domain. So make sure you are creating a simplified presentation that can be understood to everyone. Keep in mind, when you are creating the presentation, it is on a level that you are going to give this presentation to a client who doesn't know anything about technology. Also, we give score based on how well you have created the PPT, right? As well as there will be what is your communication score, how well you are communicating with your scrum manager, or how well you are communicating with your overall batch of your student, or like how you are communicating in the presentation itself, as well as if you are joining the meetings on time, if you are being diligent, and as well as you are completing your task on the time. All of these things, and how you are having your communication with the technical support person, all of these things will be considered when we are giving the communication score. You get communication score in each presentation. Now this score may change, because if your communication is not good, we might give you less score. But if your communication score is it improves, so in later presentations you will receive some of this you will receive like this score. You might receive good score next time. And also there will be a Q&A score. So what we do is we encourage our who are giving the presentation to make a Q&A page where people can make Q&A based on what your task was. So whatever your task was, you need to make a Q&A presentation where people can ask you a question, or you will be answering them. Or if there are no question, your scrum manager might ask you question, or he might also give you score based on your presentation itself, right? So let us say if I'm watching your presentation, I get some kind of question, but that question get resolved in the presentation itself. That is also a good thing. So you will receive score on the Q&A also. Now, how well you are able to conclude the presentation. So what is your result, as well as the conclusion of the task. We will also see and give score on that. Now, next is demonstration score. That is basically your task score. Whatever task you have done, you need to demonstrate that task, and you will receive score out of 10. Now this is really important score, because if your demonstration score and your PPT and hook and story score are not good, you might not receive completion letter, even though your communication Q&A and all the other things are satisfactory, right? So make sure you are heavily focusing on the demonstration and hook story, as well as the PPT, how well you are creating your PPT. Now, next is the camera, mic, background, and intent score. So make sure that your camera looks good. People are able to see you, as well as your mic is also audible, as well as you are not in some kind of train, or let us say in a park, or outside when you are giving the presentation. And it might cause some kind of disturbance, as well as what is your intent score. So if you're if you are lagging a lot, people will not be able to hear your presentation. So make sure that you are cross-checking these things. You will also receive score on this. Now, after the score is completed, after based on this parameter, you will receive this kind of email where you will receive score and overall score, as well as you will receive some kind of review and feedback from the scrum manager. Okay, so these are the emails that you can share with your actual college if they ask you to. Now, second is Scrum meeting. As I said, Scrum meetings happen for Tuesday to Friday between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Now, Scrum meetings, this meeting that is currently happening happens without fail every day, Tuesday to Friday. There are no time where this meeting will not be happening. Now there is another session that is conducted by either Akash Lamba or Swarab Singh. They conduct the parallel session, but like if there is some issue, someone else might conduct that session, but make sure that you are following this link to join this meeting. And then if necessary, I will also forward you to their meeting, or you can also join their meeting directly. So make sure you are joining at least one like Scrum meeting, so that you can see how other people are giving the presentation, and you can learn and also improve your presentation skills. Now, it is understandable that you might need some leave. Okay, there may be some personal reason, or there may be some kind of medical reason for you. So you can take leave. Or taking leave, what you can do is you can either reach out to us through Trello. I will come to what Trello is in the next slide. And also you can email us at the support@hackweather.in, or you can join the Scrum meeting and let me know you want a leave. Or you can also basically go in the technical support chat, give your name, your joining date, your email, as well as you are from which group and batch. And then you can say like what is the day of your leave and when you will be coming back from the leave, right? So they will mark you on leave. It is good if you are joining this technical support chat, but if there is any issue, you can join this community. Now you are currently the probation period. So right now there will be a 2 month probation period. Some of you may join up for the 4 week or 1 month. That is up to you. So whatever your probation period is, make sure that you are completing the probation period. But minimum we need 2 month period to get like paid internship or get full time internship at our organization. So make sure you are completing 2 month probation period, right? So after your 2 month period is done, you guys can basically go on the technical support chat and on the Hackathon website and give your full name, email, start duration of your internship, as well as the probation and duration, all the task and project you have done, as well as provide the link of all the presentation that you have created, right? So when you make a presentation, we have you get a link of it in the completed presentation list. You will get the link. Make sure you are also giving the link so that they can verify quickly. More quickly they are able to verify your task, the more quickly you will be able to get your completion letter, right? So make sure you are providing all the necessary information so that they can verify you have completed the task, as well as completed the presentation and receive score for all the presentation. And then your probation letter will be issued, right? And if your score is good, as well as let us say if like we think that you are able to do the intern, then we will provide you with the paid internship opportunity, or you can conclude your internship with us, right? Or if your college or your organization want you to do presentation for 4 months, but you are not able to complete your probation period successfully, right? So you can again ask for the internship extension. You can make you do probation period for the 4 month or 3 month, whatever time you want. After the end of each month, we conduct an evaluation session where the internal evaluation team evaluates each and every intern and see which intern can be assigned to the paid internship program. Now, for the paid internship or the people who are doing the full-time internship, they if they want the like completion letter, they can also get it. So internship duration completion. So whatever duration is there, you need to follow the same thing in the technical support chat. You can give your full name, email, start duration and duration, as well as all the project and task you have done. What was your roles and responsibility, as well as any kind of video recording or anything that you can provide. So after this is done, you will receive your completion letter, right? Okay, so now this is Trello. Currently, we are all of these cards you can see are archived. We are not actively using Trello, but there is one board that is internship resources, where you can find resources for your internship task, or as well as all the videos that we upload on YouTube. We most of our videos are basically unlisted. What that means is, because the videos are unlisted, you will not be able to search them directly on the YouTube. But there are also some videos that are where presentation are good enough. We make them public so that all the interns can find the presentation, as well as give their feedback to that presentation. Right. So I will share the link of Trello after the your introduction is done. you can bookmark that board where you can find all the meeting recording as well as any kind of announcement is there. I will share the link with you at the end. That is basically the name of board is internship resource. Now, coming to the future plan. So as I said, it is to build new products and as well as doing the application workup and creating a workforce between the institutes and technology so that we can supply them with the workforce so that can help them creating a new product or like improving the existing product. Now, moving on to the introduction part. So what I want is I want all of you to raise your hand. I will go in order of raised hand. So what you have to do is you have to give your introduction one by one. This is important because if you don't give your introduction, you will not receive activation email. And even if you have received the activation email, that will be activated as disabled, right? Because we would like to verify that you have joined for the internship. You are giving your introduction so that we can verify, yes, it is you who have joined for the internship, not someone else in your name, right? Let us say if you want, if based on your introduction, we will also be able to verify that it is you who is giving the presentation, right? So when the presentation is done, there is no one else who is giving the presentation in your stream. So make it is really important. So I want all of you to raise your hand in the Zoom. At the bottom of your screen, you can find the reaction button. If you click on the reaction button, there will be a like the raise hand option. You need to click on the raise hand and raise your hand. I will go in order of raised hand. When you raise the hand, please ensure that your camera is on so that we can verify, as well as your mic is working properly. And it must be on during the introduction. And also, introduction speech should have your full name, that is really important, as well as your branch, so that is and the year of your college. So you are in which branch? You may be in electrical, you may be in mechanical, or you may be in the IT or computer. Or what is the current year? You are in second year, third year, or what is the name of your college? If this is optional, if you have make any kind of professional certification, you have done like NPTEL certification or SWAYAM certification, or let us say any kind of professional certificate, or you have received an MR, you can let us know. Or really important, what is your current technical skill set? So if you are joining for the Python, I'm expecting you to know Python, right? So let me know what your current skill set are. Even if you don't have good skill set, we will provide you with the necessary material as well as the resources so that you can improve yourself, right? And what are your expectations of the internship? So now I will give you 10 seconds to raise your hand. After 10 seconds, I will start with the introduction session. And after the introduction session is done, I will also answer the queries that I have received in the chat. Okay, so if you have any queries, you can put it in the chat and then we can conclude the session. So make sure you are raising your hand. I will go in order of raised. So we'll start in 10 seconds. Okay. So I can see there are a lot of raised hands. So we'll start with the mic.
Good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Tanu from Sonipat. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Computer Science from Hindu Girls College, Sonipat, which is affiliated to MDU University, Rohtak. Now, currently, I am pursuing MCA in Master of application from GVM IITM from Sonipat, which is affiliated to Dikrush University. Now, recently, I have cleared my AWS Cloud Practitioner certificate, and I have such an experience in coding languages and skills such as HTML, CSS, AWS Cloud Computing, C language, and I am very excited and glad to be a part of this team and try to learn new things during this internship. So thank you.
Okay, thank you, Tanu, for your introduction. We will move on to warehousing.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vibhor Singh. I'm a third year EC student at Manipal. My skills basically I'm here to learn about embedded systems and Internet of Things, and I have some knowledge about Python and C++, and I'm here to learn.
Okay, thank you. So we can move on to Shreya. Okay, Karnika Gupta. Karnika, you are not audible. Please check your mic. No, you are still not audible. I will go to next intern, then I will come back to you. So please go ahead. So, Mohammed Suhail. You are also not audible, sir. Please check your mic. No, still not audible. So I will go to next intern. So I will come back to you. So yes, yes, Andre. Vishwanathan.
Hello,
Yeah, yes, sir.
I'm Vishnu. I'm trying to pursue Bachelor of Technology, IT, in Loyola ICAM for the Engineering and Technology, and I completed a specification course in Coursera as data analyst, and I love to learn full stack development, and and I want to build my backend field, so I choose SQL. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vishwanathan. So we'll, yes, if your mic is now on.
So shall I
Please
start?
check your demo.
Yes, sir. My full name is YashchandraUpadhyay, and yes, sir.
Please turn your camera on.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. So my full name is YashchandraUpadhyay, and now I'm pursuing Bachelor of Technology from MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune. and uh, my branch is electronics and telecommunication. My pass out year is 2024. My college, as I earlier said, is uh, working under the University of means Savitribai Phule Pune University, and I have successfully completed a web development course in which I have learned the PHP, CSS, and JS, and technical skill set as I have like come whole knowledge about the microcontrollers mostly, and all about the sensors.
Okay, thank you, Yash. So we'll move on to Harshvardhan.
Good evening, sir. My name is Harshvardhan Dela. I am pursuing Bachelor's of Computer Application, and currently I am in third year. My college is Devbhoomi Uttarakhand University. My technical skill sets are in web development in the MERN, and I have knowledge of Java, C, C++, and some of the knowledge of Python, as I have advanced web text knowledge also. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Harshvardhan. So we'll move on to Sweta. Yeah, Sweta ES. Shivashri. Yes, sir.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, sir. My name is Sasankuri Sivashri. Uh, Present, I am pursuing BTech third year, Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering, branch Electronics and Communication Engineering. Recently, I got certified from program Python Essentials in Python from Net Academy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shivashri. So we'll move on to Amia Mandakar.
Hmm. Hello, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. You please turn your camera first.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am visible.
Yeah,
Hi, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Amay Mandakkar, and I am from Nagpur. I completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from Critical College of Engineering, Nagpur, in Rashtrasanta Maharaj University. I completed AZ104 classes from Technical Gupta Guru and front-end developer classes from student classes, and I gained skill like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thank you.
okay, thank you. So next is Varuna.
Good evening, sir. Am I visible?
Yeah, you can start.
So my name is Vardhan Aphathe. I'm from computer engineering. Now I'll be entering into fourth year. I'm studying in College of SIS, Graduate School of Technology. I have recently completed 2 semesters of AWS certification in cloud computing. I also have technical skill set of coding languages like C, C++, Python. I have also done courses on Power BI, etc. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Varuna. So we'll move on to Swati Reddy.
Hello everyone. Myself Swati Ranjan. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science from Vanasthali Vidyapit, and my skill set is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Swati. So we'll move on to Niji.
Am I visible?
Yeah, yes, sure.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nidhi. I have done my graduation in computer science from MD University last year, that is 2022, and currently pursuing my master's in MCA. And my technical skill set include AWS Management Console, cloud computing, Microsoft Office, C++ languages. Thank you.
So, thank you, ladies. We move on to Palak. Your mic is not audible. Hello, Palak. Your mic is not audible. Please fix your mic. I will complete. So then, Satya ji. Hello, Satya. Your mic is not audible. Please fix it. So then, Sayyid Wakaruddin.
Am I visible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I am Syed Bakharuddin, and a final year EC undergrad from MPCT Hyderabad. And I have recently obtained a certification of abstract practitioner from SecOps Group. But besides that, I'm well acquainted with the front end and back end web development. And also, I am proficient with programming languages such as C++ and Python. Thank you.
Thank you. So we move on to Sahana Keji.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, please turn your camera.
Yeah, myself, Sahana. I'm currently staying in Bangalore.
Sorry,
Have
please
completed
turn your
my
camera on. Yeah, now just.
myself, Sahana. I'm currently staying in Bangalore. I've completed my graduation on BCA Oxford College of Science. I passed out on 2022, and I have done a course of front up development, with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Java, C, and C++. These are my technical skills, and I would like to enhance my skills and knowledge with this internship, and I would like to continue with a good knowledge and success to the internship. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sahana. So we move on to Pratyush Kumar.
So, good evening, everyone. I am Pratyush Kumar, a BTech graduate from Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. I graduated just 8 months ago, and I have a good knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Merge stack, and Java language. And to enhance my skills in full stack development, I want to learn from these internships. Apart from this, I have done many courses from Udemy and Coursera, and I recently completed a Python 3 programming course from Coursera. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. So we move on to Janet Roy. Violin Janet Roy.
Sir, is my audio and video clear, sir?
Yeah, you just.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bailin Janet Roy, and I'm doing my second year of BTech IT at Loyola ICANN College of Engineering and Technology. And speaking about the professional certification, I have completed my cybersecurity essentials and some intermediate certificates from Cisco and few from Coursera and Udemy and so on. And talking about the technical skill set, I'm intermediate programmer at Python, C programming and Java, and good at web development too. And what I'm expecting from this internship is I wanted to get a hands-on regarding the cybersecurity domain. And the thing which I left is I'm just starting my beginning learning at Kali next too. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ben. So we move on to Akhi.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rakhi. I'm from Sonipat, Haryana. I have completed my graduation in BCA from Hindu Girls College, which is affiliated to MDU University, Rohtak. I have some skills like C, C++, cloud computing, and I have recently I have completed my cloud practitioner certificate. Thank you.
Okay, Rafi, so we'll move on to substitution.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Sukriti Sharma. I am pursuing my BTech degree in computer science from Banasli Vidyapit. I am good in Python, Java, and HTML. And I am very excited to do the internship and learn many new things. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So we'll move on to Anirudh.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Anirudh. I am currently pursuing my BTech at Mechatronics Engineering at Hindustan Institute of Technology, Chennai. Myself, I want to develop my technical skills in Python by using this internship. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So we'll move on to Chandrabhushan Kumar.
Hello,
Yeah, you can start.
I am visible.
Yeah, you can start.
I am Chandrabhushan and I am pursuing MA Economics from the Delhi School of Economics, and I have proficient knowledge in R programming, and currently I am doing this internship for the data analyst. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the question. So we'll move on to Niharika.
Good evening, sir. I'm Niharika. I'm currently pursuing my BTech from Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Science. My branch is Computer Science and Engineering, and I have recently done a certification course on data analytics from Coursera, and I'm excited to gain knowledge from internship. Thank you.
Thank you, Niharika. So we'll move on to Manoj.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you can start.
Good evening, sir. It is pleasure to introduce myself. I am Manoj Yadav. I am pursuing my BTech graduation in Computer Science of Engineering in GPREC College. And speaking about my any professional certifications, I have pursued my machine learning certification from Free Code Camp. And from this internship, I want to gain more knowledge in machine learning domain and deep learning domain. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Manoj. So we'll move on to Devendra.
Hello, sir. Good evening. My name is Devendra, and I am a third year student at MIT Manipal, pursue CC BTech. I have sufficient knowledge in C++, Java, and I'm currently doing mobile app. Thank you.
Thank you, Dev. So we'll move on to Harishma.
Good evening, sir. I'm Harishni. So currently I'm doing third year in computer science engineering in SRM TRP Engineering College, which is affiliated to SRM Anna University. So I have some professional certifications, like I completed NPTEL in Joy of Computing using Python and got allied certification. My technical skills include Python, C, and basic knowledge of C++ and Java. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Harishma. So we'll move on to Jeffrey.
So good evening all. I'm Jeffrey. I live in Chennai. So I am doing my electronics and communication engineering from SRM Ishwari Engineering College. So I am currently in my third year now. I got my technical certifications in Python from Cisco, and I am also an Acqueda certified Python professional. So I expect this internship will provide me real world skills as well as hands-on experience. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Jeffrey. So we'll move on to Aditya. You are not audible already. Please check that mic. You are not audible. I will come to you again. Manushree.
Sir, is my audio and video clear, sir?
You can start.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm Manushri from Loyola ICAM College of Engineering and Technology. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech IT third year. So I have done my cybersecurity fundamentals in IBM and even other certifications in Udemy and Coursera too. And also I have an earlier internship experience in full stack web development, and I'm very eager towards learning a few and also a lot of practical experience in data science domain here in Akweda. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Manoj. So we'll move on to Jiva Krishna.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you can start.
So, good evening, all. My name is Divya Krishnan. I'm from Chennai. I'm doing my BTech IT course in Loyola ICAM College of Technology, Engineering and Technology. So, I'm currently in my third year, and I've competed many hackathons and won some of them, like Seed Brains and Sterlo Hackathon. So, about my professional certification, I have done data analytics course, which is offered by Google. And about my skill sets, I'm well versed in front end technology and Unity C# programming, and about basic programming languages like Python, Java, and C++. So what I am expecting from this internship is, as I am well versed in front end development, I want to work more on my back end. So yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. So we'll move on to G. Sweta.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, you can start.
Good evening, sir. My name is Shweta and I'm studying in Loyola ICAM College of Engineering and Technology in BTech IT second year. My skills and interested in learning full stack development. I have completed courses in web development in Coursera. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So we'll move on to Karnika Gupta. I believe we are already continuing.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah, please take your time.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kanika Gupta, and I am pursuing my BTech degree in Computer Science from Vanastali Vidyapeeth. Currently, I am in my 7th semester. During my academic journey, I have gained knowledge of programming languages like Java and C++. I have also gained knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I am passionate about technology and I am eager to apply my theoretical knowledge into real world projects. So I am looking forward to an enriching internship experience at Hekveda. Thank you.
Thank you, Kanika. So we'll move on to Yogesh. Hello, Lohit.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Lohita, and currently I'm pursuing my BTech third year in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Science. I did my NPTEL certification day. I'm good at and HTML. Through this internship, I just want to enhance my skills. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lohit. So we'll move on to Rohit Anuli.
So hey guys, I'm Luli Mahita. I'm currently pursuing BTech in Manipal Institute of Technology. I just completed my third year. Well, I have decent knowledge of C, Python, SQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'm interested in web development. From this internship, I want to improve my experience in a professional setting and also want to improve my skills. Thank you.
Anyway, so we'll move on to Sridevi.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Hello, all. Hi, sir. I'm Sridevi Satyamurthy. I was born in Chennai and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in information technology in Loyola Icahn College of Engineering and Technology. I'm currently in third year. So I'm an organized and ambitious person, and I'm still striving to improve my technical skills. So I'm well acquainted with Python, and I am a Google certified data analyst. So during this certification, I got a strong understanding about the concepts related to data engineering, and I'm eager to have hands-on experience here in Akweda. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sridevi. So we'll move on to Aril Danika Shiv.
Hello, sir. Good evening, all. I'm Arul Danika Shina I am from Chennai. I'm doing my second year IT in Loyola Icahn College, and my skill set include development. I have done courses in Coursera and Springboard, Infosys Springboard, and I'm expecting a hands-on experience on IT department. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So we'll move on to Kunal Reddy.
Hello everyone, my name is Kulai Reddy. Currently, I am pursuing BTech final year in Computer Science and Engineering at PPREC. My technical skills are Java and Python. I'm really excited about this internship, and I want to make use of this internship. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kunal. So we'll move on to Shreya.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, please turn your camera.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Shreya.
Please turn your
I'm
camera.
from ECE department.
Hello,
Hello.
Shreya. Can you turn your
Sir.
camera?
Sir?
Can you turn your camera on?
Okay, sir.
Please start now.
Okay, sir. Am I visible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Myself, Shreya. I'm from ECE department, Electronic and Communication department. Currently, a pre-final year student pursuing in a college of Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So I have certified a professional certificate in AWS DevOps cloud computing from Coursera. So I need to improve my technical skill set and apply my theoretical knowledge in this internship. I'm thinking of to have hands-on experience regarding this cloud computing. So thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shreya. So we'll move on to Rahul.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, please start.
Sir, myself Rahul Pramukh from Andhra Pradesh. I had completed my graduation in 2020 in mechanical engineering. I had an interest on IT side, and therefore I had course of AWS with DevOps engineering, and I'm professionally certified for that. Later that I had come to know that hack the services and its solutions, and I had attended exam and passed. I'm here, sir. That's it. I will try to utilize all this opportunity with my fulfill of interest and good.
Yeah, thank you, Rahul. So we'll move on to yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
So we'll move on to yeah, thank you.
Sir?
Yeah, sure. You are done, right?
Thank you, sir. That's it.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Rinki. I am from Sonipat. I have completed my graduation from Hindu Girls College. Now I am currently pursuing MCA from Indira Gandhi National Open University, Delhi. If I talk about my technical skills, I have knowledge about programming languages and HTML, CSS. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nidhi. So we'll move on to Krishnan Singh.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Good evening, sir, and everyone. My name is Crispin Sheena, CA. I'm currently pursuing my BTech Information Technology degree from Loyola Icahn College of Engineering and Technology. I completed my website development courses in Coursera. So I want to implement my knowledge in this internship. Thank you.
Thank you, Krishnan. So we'll move on to Gifting Olivia.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, yes.
Good. Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Gifrin Olivia, doing my BTech Computer Science and Engineering in Karunya Institute of Technology in Coimbatore. My technical, I'm doing I'm done with my first year. I have done courses in Cisco, as well as I've done Udemy courses and Coursera. I am an intermediate learner in Python as well as C programming. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So we'll move on to Akhil Kumar Reddy. Yeah, yes, sir.
Department. Currently pursuing my BTech Engineering Resource Department at the Honorable Institute of Science and Technology. Coming to my skill sets, I am good at HTML, CSS, Python, and technologies with modeling with Blender. And thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So we'll move on to questions.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, yes.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Kashis. I'm currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Banastali Vidyapeeth. I am currently in my 4th year. I am familiar with coding languages like C, C++, Java, and I have interest in web development. I am familiar with HTML and CSS, and I'm excited to be a part of this internship program to learn and gain some knowledge. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. So we'll move on to Ulwan Khan.
Hi everyone,
Yeah, yes, sir.
my name is Noah Khan. I am pursuing my MCA second year from University of Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I know Java, C, HTML, CSS very well. Apart from this, I also know basic JavaScript and Python. My expectation from this internship is want to build a responsive website and understand the concept of front end and back end. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, now. So we'll move on to Ajit.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. Myself, I'm Ajita Malkia M.
Ajita, please turn your camera. No, yes.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, I'm Aditya Malkia M. Pursuing my second year BTech degree in Information Technology from Loyola IKM College of Engineering and Technology. My technical skill sets include Python, C, and Java. I do some certification courses in Coursera in Python, OOPS, and SQL and something. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ajit. So we'll move on to Newlin Kuruba Ajit.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Please turn your camera. And please turn your camera on.
I'm trying to. Can I get some fun?
Yeah, sure, I will come to you. So next is Jeffrey now. Please turn your camera.
Yes, sir.
Please turn your camera. Hello, please turn your camera.
Can, sir, can I get a minute?
Okay, we'll come to you. YashchandraUpadhyay.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you can.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ashtuda G, and I'm currently pursuing third year at Loyola ICAM Engineering of College and Technology, Engineering College Technology. So I'm currently at the third year. Speaking of my technical skills, I'm good at Python, C, and Java, and I have certification from data science at Google, and that's it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So we'll move on to Sherry.
I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Good evening, sir. So my name is Sharon. I'm currently pursuing BTech Information Technology in Loyola ICAM College of Engineering and Technology. So my technical skills, I'm good at Python, C, and Java. I have completed some certifications in Coursera and Infosys Spring Boot. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. So we'll move on to Shweta.
Audible, sir.
Yeah, please turn your camera.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you can start.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Shweta ES, and I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in information technology in Loyola ICAM College of Engineering and Technology. I'm currently in third year. My professional certification, I have completed my professional certifications in Coursera, in Python, MongoDB, web development, etc. About the programming languages, I know Python, C, Java, and some basics of etc. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll move on to Palak. I will be on your camera, right?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, but you have already given your introduction, right?
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Please turn your camera. Yeah,
Good evening, everybody. My name is Palak Tandon, and I'm pursuing BTech Computer Science from Banasthali Vidyapeeth, and I'm entering my fourth year. And talking about my technical skills, I have knowledge about C, C++, and Java, and I'm here to enhance my knowledge and gain practical experience. Thank you.
okay, yeah. So we'll move on to Pranjal.
Everyone, my name is pursuing my BTech in Computer Science at Banasthali Vidyapeeth. And in technical, I have a knowledge in Java programming, C++, and some knowledge in machine learning and Python.
Okay, thank you, Pranjal. So we'll move on to Satya Jain.
Am I audible, sir?
Please turn your camera. Yeah, okay, start.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you can start.
Yes. So, good evening, everyone. My name is Satya Jain, and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I have completed my Bachelor's of Information in Technology from MIT University, Rajasthan, and I have recently completed my MSc in Data Science from Geetham University, Vishakhapatnam. And I have done many different kind of certification courses in data analytics from Coursera, and the technical skill set which I'm having is basically from data engineering. I know how to work on Apache Airflow, AWS, and Google Cloud. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Satya. So we move on to Muhammad Singh.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible now?
Yeah.
My name is Mohammed Suhaib. I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in information technology at Loyola ICAM College of Engineering and Technology, Chennai. I'm currently in my third year. Professional certifications, I have completed an 8-course specialization certificate from Google on data analytics. Technical skill sets, I am skilled in Python, C, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, etc. And I expect to gain practical experience from this industry. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So we'll move on to Aditi.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Aditi Bisht, and I'm pursuing BTech from Banasthali Vidyapeeth, and I'm currently in my 4th year. And I have done an internship in web development already, and I'm talking about my technical skills that are in C, C++, Java, and basics of Python. I'm more interested in front end.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we'll move on to Jeffrey now. Hello, Jeffrey. Okay, so I don't see any more raised hands now. I hope all of the introductions are done now. Hello, Jeffrey. Hello, Jeffrey. Please turn your camera on. Yeah, you can start. Yeah, you can start. Hello, Jeffrey.
Yes. Hello everyone, I'm Jeffrina and I'm a second year IT student from Loyola ICAM College of Engineering and Technology, and I have completed several courses in Coursera and other platforms. And about my skill set, and I have a knowledge on Java, Python, C, C++, and I'm more interested in web development. And thank you.
Okay, thank you, Jeffrey. So, is there anyone else left for the introduction? If the introduction is shortened, please raise your hand. Else, we'll move on with the presentation. So, I have noted the names of people who have given the presentation. So, Tanu, Vaibhav, Karnika, Shubham, Vishwanathan, Yash, Harshvardhan, Shivashri, Amya, Varda, and Swati, Nidhi, Palak, Sayyid Rukuddin, Sohana Devi, Pratyush, Bailin, and Rahul, Sukriti, Anvidi, and Chandrabhushan, Niharika, Manoj, Devendra, Harishri, Jeffrey, and Manushri, Jeffrina, Aditi, Muhammad, Suhaib, Satya, Pranjit, Sweta, and Ashvita, and Shireen, Jeffrina, Ajita, Unwan, Kashish, Akhila, and then Olivia, Crispin, Sheena, and Rinku, Rahul, and Shreya, Kulay Reddy, Arun, and Sridevi, Lohita, Mahita Muli, and Divya Krishna. So all the people who have taken the name are considered as the present at their introduction done. So if your name is not taken, then you will not considered as full-time intern, or as well as your status will always uh, be disabled, right? So make sure that if you are like watching this recording later and you will not able to join, reach out to me through the daily internship meeting. Else, you will not be able to receive your completion letter. So keep this in mind. Okay. So now I hope all the introduction are done for all the new interns. Now, I would like to say is that if you have not done it, please let me know. Right. So okay, so for now we will move on with the presentation. So after your introduction is done, basically we are done with today's orientation session. So thank you for joining. But before we conclude, I would like to have a small recap of like what we went through. So there are some important points that you need to keep in mind. So first of all, that your attendance will be done from Monday to Tuesday, right? All the people who are present here, you need to give your attendance, you need to give your progress update from Monday to Saturday, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, that is 6 days out of 7 days. But your this scrum meeting that is happening will be there from Tuesday to Friday, 7 to 9 p.m. There are two scrum meetings, right? You can bookmark this scrum meeting because this scrum meeting will always happen regardless of whatever the issue is. There will be always at least one person who is taking this scrum meeting, right? So keep this in mind. And second is that I would just like to say that after the meeting is done, you guys can watch your introduction, how you have given the introduction, because it is important that you guys are able to give your introduction correctly, right? So after you have reviewed your introduction, you will realize what are the mistakes that you have made, because it doesn't matter which organization you go in, where you are going in. It doesn't matter if you are doing internship, full-time job, as well as doing an interview or attending a workshop. It is a really important thing to do your introduction correctly. Most of you were not even able to give me your skill set correctly, right? Because you are not even sure what your skill set is. So keep this in mind. Before coming here, you should have known that you will have to do your introduction, right? So I just want you to say this to be a wake up call to all of you who are not really focusing towards the communication skill, that you need to work on your communication skill. Because see, communication skills are something that grow with respect to time, as you do your more task, as you talk with more people, your communication will grow. But introduction is something that you need to prepare. Okay, so next time I want you guys to improve your overall communication skill, as well as when you are doing somewhere your introduction yourself, make sure to review today's introduction and improve on it, right? So with this, I would like to thank you all of you for joining the today's orientation session. It was a great opportunity for me and also for you guys, so that let's hope we can learn a lot from each other. We can improve each other with each other. And then if you would like to get in touch with us, you guys can join. You guys can go to hackweather.in, and then there you will just receive a technical support chat. You can get in touch with the technical support if you have any kind of query with respect to your internship, or let's say if you have any general queries also. You can also email at admin@hackweather.in, as well as support@hackweather.in. And then you can also WhatsApp at this number, as well as contact us on this number also. Okay, so you can get in touch with us with any of this number if you want. Then Hackweather Limited, I would like to again welcome all of you to our Hackweather family, so that you guys can work together, as well as improve, and as well as learn a lot from each other. So with this, I would like to conclude this orientation session. So just to if you guys would like to leave, Now you can leave, but before that, I would end the session and give you the I will give you the training link. So you guys can bookmark that training link, as well as you can join tomorrow for more information on how to get in touch with the just a second. I will share the training link. Yeah, I have given you the Trello link. So this is internship resources board where you can find all the internship resources that are related to your tasks. So let us say in your task, you need some kind of resources. So that if you are from the data science group, you may need the data set to perform the machine learning or the data science, right? So we will have all the data sets as well as other necessary things that you want and that you need to complete your task in this board itself, as well as all the previous meeting recordings. And if there are any like important announcement that we have or anything, we might also make it on this board itself. So make sure that you are bookmarking this board. You are not able to join it as a member because this is a public board, so that you can like get in touch with us. Or if you want, you guys can also join tomorrow's meeting and let me know if you guys need anything else to like get in touch with us. And also I would like to go over the chat for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, then all the other people who are here for the previous batch intern for the presentation, I will take your presentation tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay, then yeah, Chandrabhushan, you can get the video part. I will upload it tonight. You can and post the video link in the Trello board that I have shared with you. You can check the link from there. Also search it on the like YouTube channel. You will be able to find the meeting recording. Yeah. Yes. So can you make a WhatsApp group for the daily updates and for easy contact? Yeah. The thing is, we used Trello previously for the daily communication as well as this, but it didn't like really work because we are growing in number. We have like more than 200 or 300 active interns as of now. Okay, you are only one batch, so that is why you are only seeing your batch intern. But there are also previous batch intern. More than 200 people are like active, so it may not be possible for us to take the progress updates on the WhatsApp itself. But if you want, I will. I'm actually talking to sir like how to improve the overall communication of our interns so that you guys can connect with your team members and also as well your colleagues more easily. So there might be a Discord group, or there might be a Slack group, or we might also make a WhatsApp group, or we might as well use Trello itself again just for the communication sake. I will talk to Devanshu sir. Let's see what he says, and we will notify you through the email or through the Trello board link that I have already shared. That is internship resources. Please bookmark it and check it every single day, like what updates are happening. You will know, right? So keep in mind if there are any links where we will provide it in the email or in the Trello board itself, right? Yes, Snehal, you can present tomorrow. It is a good evening, sir. Today my presentation was short. Yeah, you can give it tomorrow. Okay, then who is Gargi Rajput? I told you to Gargi Rajput and Newlin. I told you to turn your camera on. Okay, and also mic on, and also I told you to raise your hand. So if you are present, if your introduction is remaining, there are only two possibilities: either you didn't like answer my call, or there was some technical issue from your side. That I cannot do anything. So we'll take your introduction and name it. Another people whose introduction is not, please raise your hand. Yeah, name it. See, it is important that you guys answer the call when you are called, right? And this is also not a good thing if you are like not prepared. Right?
So sorry for the inconvenience as I was not able to on my camera, so I came with different device now.
Yeah, you can start.
So, myself, Jane Yolan Kriba. I'm currently pursuing my BTech Information Technology in Loyola IKM College of Engineering and Technology. So, I'm about my professional courses and skill sets. I've completed many professional courses from Coursera, Udemy, and etc. And about my skill sets, I have a good knowledge in Python, C, Java, and web development. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Gargi Rajput, how should I do my introduction? My camera and mic isn't working. Then even I don't know how you will give the introduction if your camera and mic is not working. Uh, Fix it, I would say. Join different device. See, Newland has joined with a different device. Okay, so fix it, or I don't know what to do. Right. So you can join tomorrow. If your device is fixed, you can give your introduction tomorrow. Right. If your introduction is not done, you will not be considered as an activity. Right. For all the people, this is for all the people. Right. So we'll end the session here. Again, just a refresher. You have to give your overall progress update from Monday to Saturday. You have to mark your attendance to the daily email, as well as you can bookmark one email. So in case there is some technical issue, you don't receive the email, you can use the previous email to mark your attendance. Second of all, the meetings will happen from Tuesday to Friday. Make sure you are joining the meeting. You are understanding how the task is being done. You are understanding how the presentations are being done, as well as you are understanding how the scoring is being done, so that you can receive good score and 70 to 80% to get your successful completion certificate. Right. So if you have any difficulties, you can join tomorrow. Then in the Scrum meeting, ask me, or you can reach out to us with the number provided in the thank you slide of the presentation, or you can go to hackweather.in. You will receive all the various contact information, as well as the address if you want to provide it in your college in the hackweather.in website. As well as feel free to reach out to us through the technical support chat. The technical support chat is active from Monday to Friday, that is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Right. So thank you for joining. All of you can leave now. We'll end the session here. Thank you and have a great night.